Hi, this is just to update the progress of the blue pea butterfly plants that I planted. This is on a fifth day. It started to sprout on the third day. So this one you can see is nothing is happening, and this too is growing well. And this is my other plant. This one someone gave it to me. It has a very strong lavender smell, so it could be one type of lavender plant. And you can see there's a small plant that is growing out. And yeah, my lettuce is still struggling. And of course the spider plant. And this is garlic that we bought last week, but unfortunately it started to sprout, so we couldn't use it. Now I have to actually look for a pot to actually just plant it maybe. That's it. Do subscribe and follow me, and if you like to follow up with my plants, and also my Instagram, I will take pictures every now and then to update in my Instagram. Okay, thank you for watching.